Ready to feel amazing and slim down? Let's get juicing. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of weight loss juices. These aren't just any juices. We're talking delicious, budget-friendly and super effective blends that'll help you shed those extra pounds. First up, our green power juice. Grab some spinach, kale and a crisp green apple. Add a squeeze of lemon and blend it up. This powerhouse mix is packed with nutrients and low in calories. Next, let's talk carrot ginger zinger. You need carrots, a piece of fresh ginger and an orange. Blend these together for a zingy, refreshing drink that'll kickstart your metabolism. And for a sweet treat, try our berry blast juice. Combine blueberries, strawberries and a handful of spinach. This antioxidant-rich juice will satisfy your sweet tooth and keep you full longer. Remember, juicing is just one part of a healthy lifestyle. Pair these drinks with balanced meals and regular exercise for the best results. Want more recipes like these? Join our community and share your juicing journey. Together, we'll crush those weight loss goals. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your blender and let's get started. Cheers to a healthier you.